Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds REDMI BUDS 6 Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. Then at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, scroll down just a bit, and right here we have spatial audio. But not all Android phones have this feature, so you may have it. And also, if you have Apple device, you cannot find it, at least at the settings. Now, to enable it, you need to tap at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!